Today we will tell you what binary options are, because this topic is the basis in trading, and beginners should definitely familiarize themselves with it. Binary options are a particular currency trading exchange, within which you can bet on the growth or fall of a currency in a specific time range. In order to make it easier for you to explain what binary options are, we will tell you what examples there are. In the meantime, I will tell you about this, I will conclude a couple of transactions, and binary signals will help me in this. Examples of binary options trading. 1. Buying an option to exceed the price level. At a cost of 1 share of Apple $50, it will take at least $1,000 to purchase a lot of 20 shares. If the share price rises to $55, then the return will be $100. 20 shares x $5, with a 10% return. Income may have other meanings, depending on price fluctuations. If the price is unfavorable, then the trader will have a choice: close at a loss or wait for the price to rise. Alternatively, you can buy 2 binary call options at a price of $10, subject to reaching Apple prices of $55 by the end of the week. The price of the exercised option will be equal to $100. If the price really reaches $55 or is higher, then the trader will receive $200, 100x2, at a cost of $20. Income will be $180, yield minus 900%. If the price does not reach the specified level, then he loses $20 paid for the option. 1. Purchase of an option to increase the price from the current level. Assuming that by the end of the day Microsoft shares will be more expensive than at the moment, the trader buys a binary call option at a closing price higher than the current one for $10 with a possible premium of $17.10, 71% of the investment. If by the end of the day Microsoft stocks really rise in price, the trader will receive $17.10, profit $7.10. If the value of the shares decreases, the trader will lose the invested funds. 2. Selling an option to exceed the level. At noon, the euro against the US dollar or /US is 20 points behind the closing price of the previous day, price at 20 o'clock London time. The option to exceed the US level of the previous day can be sold at $38 or bought at $41.50. The trader decides that the price will not recover and sells 2 options at a price of $38, receiving revenue of $76. The worst outcome for the trader is: if the closing price of the day or /US is higher than the previous one, which will lead to the estimated price of the option at $100, which the trader will have to pay. His risk is limited to 138 x 2 contracts equals $124. If the underlying instrument does not end with an increase on this day, the option will lose its value, and the trader will not have to pay anything to anyone, while he previously received $76, which becomes his profit. What are the benefits of binary options? The most important plus is that derivatives provide an opportunity to make money even with minimal investment. And another plus is accessibility. Brokers offer us simple platforms with which we make deals. We need only a couple of minutes of personal time to get acquainted with the platform, but then we will be able to independently conclude transactions and receive income from them. You probably still doubt whether to trade on binary options or not. We can only tell you about this type of earnings with minimal investment, and the decision will already go with you. If you still strongly decided to at least try to make a deal, we wish you the best of luck in trading.